Hi, Bo guys. Is it just me, or did you notice that Lwandle's mood changed after Umaxele came in the room? That his mood changed after Ulwandle came in with Umaxele and introduced Umaxele. Then all of a sudden, Ulwandle went like sour, sour, sour. Yes, from the beginning, guys, Ulwandle was not happy with the birthday setup because there was not woman, but he was still smiling like he was happy and grateful that they did something for him, though he was like not like entirely pleased because of the setup. Maybe Ulwandle he wanted a pesh or angas begafuna in. But anyway, he didn't seem like he seemed like he was disappointed, but he still had a smile on his face. How? Chigi chigi. After Umpumelelo comes back in with Umaxele and introduces Umaxele, did Randa's mood not change, guys? He couldn't even smile anymore. He was just like so irritated. He couldn't smile anymore. He was just sitting there with his like arms folded on his chest. Even after the same ladies that he was asking for girls, and they brought girls. Those girls, they danced, they danced, they danced. He just smiled a little bit, but still like bengekho semudini. Like he was just like not in the mood. Like he was just like off, you know. And I'm just like, hi man, but before Mpumelelo came in with Umaxele, he was not this offish. Like maybe before Umaxele came in, maybe he was like offish on like a 5 or 4. But he was still happy because he was with his siblings and they did something nice for him. And then after Umaxele came in, like his mood went like down and he was offish to like a 9 out of 10. Like he was not laughing with anyone. He was off, you guys. And I'm just like, even Abongwe and Umpilo, they were talking about it. Mr. Patty was not impressed with us at all, you know. But like nah, that's what I noticed, guys. And tell me if maybe if I'm just seeing my own things or if you noticed that too. Or maybe go back and like watch that scene again and notice that Ulokuzan, Ulwandle just got worse after Umaxele came in. Tell me what you guys think about that, you guys, because I don't know, maybe Ulwandle is like picking up on the fact that Ulokuzana, Umpumelelo is doing this for the second time, and maybe that's like what got him, or that's what put him off, is the fact that Umpumelelo is coming and introducing his girlfriend and making it about him the second time around. Maybe he was put off by that, but you know, Utulwandle, he's not good at expressing his feelings. Like maybe it will come out, I don't know when, but if it really is that, I really do hope that he addresses that. But then again, guys, you guys know my sentiments when it comes to this whole thing because I'm just like, I just refuse to believe that Mpumelelo would be that insensitive to bring his girlfriend to his brother's birthday the second time around. So maybe Bamchelilo Lwandle, because we told Mpumelelo to come and introduce his girlfriend, you must act angry. So that angazi ukusho ukuthi baya-acta angazi, maybe they acting and it's just a stunt for the show just to bring drama or whatnot, because even Lwandle's not that type. Lwandle's not the type to like just get angry over like nothing really, because that's getting angry over, well, it's not nothing because like I mean if someone did that it's not nice. But guys, I'm just struggling to connect, and I'm struggling to just really believe that Mpumelelo would do that to his own brother. Hi, Ngeg. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.